Here's the thing. Whether you're into style or not, you still have to wear clothing. You can't go out and walk naked. It doesn't matter what side of the spectrum you are, chances are you probably have to deal with one of these annoyances from your clothing or awkwardness that just make you feel uncomfortable throughout the day. Today, I'm gonna highlight these 7 annoyances to the point that when you see them, you're gonna get like a aha moment. This happens to me all the time. And then I'm gonna give you the solution to that aha moment. If that sounds interesting, let's hop in. Number 1, I like to call this one the fake boner. If you've ever noticed, you stand up and your pants scrunch up to the point that it looks like you're erected, like you're excited. I'm sure that's happened to you before and it's an uncomfortable situation because you're not, and now you're sending the wrong signal. Well, this usually only occurs for one major reason. Your pants don't fit you. It ends up being too big on your waist, and then you just grab any belt, cinch it super tight, and all the scrunching happens. Well, when you leave your house, it's all fine, but as soon as you sit down, that scrunching tends to bubble up and give you that fake boner effect. The easiest solution to this is to get some tailoring done, especially on the waist region. You want your pants to fit comfortably to the point that you can fit about 2 to 3 fingers on your waist and you can breathe properly. Anything more, you're gonna have to tackle that problem. Number 2, it's summer, so you know the saying, guns out, sun's out. Meaning you're gonna be wearing a lot of tank tops, but chances are you're gonna have to deal with the annoyance of a farmer's tan. So what happens is the more and more you wear it, the more exposed to the sun you are. So when it comes to the point that you actually want to bring out your biceps, you kind of end up looking kind of stupid with that farmer's tan. Well, there's an easy solution for this as well. There are some body lotions that come with an SPF of 20 that protect your skin against the sun's harmful rays. So it's not only functioning to the point that it's not going to damage your skin and can protect you from cancer down the road, it's also going to protect your skin from becoming overly tan. So when it does come to the point that you want to take your whole shirt off or you want to bring out your guns in a tank top, you won't have that awkward farmer's tan. Number 3, sweating profusely. Not only do you feel awkward and uncomfortable, everybody that sees you automatically gets a little bit disgusted by you, which is not a reflex you want anybody to have for you. Now, the easiest way to fix this is to literally cool down your body temperature. And the best way to do this is, you guessed it, remove some of your body hair. Now, personally, if you are gonna shave your chest hair and your back hair, you want something that's ultra sharp. Now, for me, the only thing that I trust with this is gonna be my Dollar Shave Club Executive Razor. The only reason why is because this specific one from our sponsor has 6 blades in the front. Very sharp blades. The more blades, the sharper they are, the easier it is to actually shave your hair without any nicks, cuts, or pulling. It's just gonna glide across your chest. That's why this executive razor is perfect for that. Dollar Shave Club has all the solutions that you need when it comes to personal grooming. You no longer have to go to the store. Dollar Shave Club can cover you on all bases and it gets delivered to your door. And since there are no middlemen, Dollar Shave Club is as affordable as it's gonna get. Whether it's shavers you're looking for, or oral care, or shampoo, conditioner, body wash, whatever product you're looking for grooming, Dollar Shave Club has, and they have it probably at the lowest price you'll ever find, both online and in the store. If you guys ever wanted to try the Dollar Shave Club, right now is the time to do so because it's as affordable as it's ever gonna get. It's literally gonna cost you a cup of coffee. For only $5, including free shipping, you can try their new hydrating starter set. This starter set will come with this executive razor that I'm talking about, plus 4 cartridges, which is a full month's worth of razors, a bottle of their shave butter, a bottle of their new 2-in-1 sage and black pepper shampoo and conditioner, and 1 bottle of their new 2-in-1 face and body cleanser that's both mint and cedar. So if you guys want to check out this amazing deal, just go to the dollarshaveclub.com/fashion or click the link down below to get that for only $5. Number 4, blisters on your heel. Usually only happens for 1 or 2 reasons. A, your shoes are brand new and super stiff, so they're literally scraping the back of your heel. Or B, they're just too tight for you to the point that it's not giving your foot the natural mobility to be able to glide up and down comfortably within the shoe. An easy way to fix this is use a little bit of deodorant. If you guys grab some deodorant and apply it to your heel, it's gonna lubricate that section so it removes a lot of the friction and any blisters that might occur. Number 5, this one's annoying as well. A zipper that becomes undone. How many of you have pants that your zipper just becomes undone throughout the day, and now it's this awkward situation where people are giving you the side eye as if you don't even know how to go to the restroom properly? The easiest way to fix this though is, well, your zipper's probably a little bit weak or old, hence it's going to continue happening. So what you want to do is use a keyring. You want to grab an extra keyring that you might find, apply it to the zipper or to the end of the zipper of those pants, zip it all the way up, and that way you can hook that ring on the hook of your pants. That way when you button them, that zipper isn't going anywhere. Number 6, deodorant marks on your shirt. It's the easiest way to ruin any outfit, but there's a simple solution to fix it. You have several options. You can either A, put your shirt on before you apply the deodorant, or B, always carry some of these wipes. So these wipes are from the Dollar Shave Club. These are their butt wipes. These specific ones come individually packed, and you can check out in one of their starter sets that you can try out. Like I said, they're only $5. They'll send you like 3 or 4 of them that you can now carry in your car, in your backpack, anywhere, kind of as an emergency. This is, of course, a hack because they are butt wipe, but they get the job done. And finally, number 7, removing yellow armpit stain. Well, the easiest way to solve this is prevention. That yellow stain that you see is rust, believe it or not, because in your deodorant, there's aluminum, a metal. When that is mixed with sweat, which is obviously water, this causes a natural rusting to occur, which ends up staining your shirt with that yellow stain. If you want this to stop, you need to remove the metal. You need to remove the aluminum, which is already unhealthy for you anyways. So you want to try some natural deodorants that don't have any aluminum but still give you the same odor blocking, sweat blocking technology. You can find those online all over the place if you just look aluminum free deodorants, but it's the easiest way to vex any yellow pit stain. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 annoying occurrences that happen to your clothing and how to fix them. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, the Dollar Shave Club. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.